I had to put that had to be a backwards here and stuff. Okay, I did the more important thing. Now, that was for that. I was wondering now if I need to get that my thing.
There's your pedal.
Right here.
You put pedals right
But
there.
I don't know if I have to put. Oh, one is a regular. Okay, let me see how it looks. Oh my gosh. Like that so. I got my used to. My feet in my used to. Beautiful thing. Is it slow? I got it in slow? What? Something wrong that I'm doing? Maybe it's the other way.
There's something about speed control.
Oh. Maybe this?
Yeah, that's your speed control.
That's why I was going so slow. Okay, now. Yes, Christopher, that's it. Oh! All right. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful that stitch it is. Man. Yes, it's beautiful. That stitch, and I can make the stitch 01. So to put my 01, it will be here. To make it bigger, let me see. Let me see my stitch. It's beautiful. Do you know how much it took me to do a stitch? And how I do it, let me see. To loose it up to what it will be. I need to read this stuff. Ah, tension. This is it. My tension. Okay. This is 2. Maybe, let's see how my tension it is. That is what I was looking for, my tension. Tension is important in material.
Yeah.
That's better. Let me see. If I do less tension. Wow. I know if I like tension there. Gorgeous. Let me see. What 5 is my length? That is tighter. All right. So. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. And had to be a ripper here. Oh, here it is. I think so. It's my ripper. You have a ripper right here, not behind. Dude, that's awesome. It's not usually a ripper. Sometimes it's here and it's hard to get. This one, you just bring it around it, and then you get it. I love it. I don't have to thread. You know that? That for your mom that is her eyes? Wow. I'm probably going to love it. I like it. It's beautiful. My tension is the one I need to really get on it. Yes. I never had such a fancy machine, son. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go try embroider.
And daughter.
Yes.
And I won't have to put the number.
That
That is awesome. This is not complicated. You just have to go with the number you want. I like this 24, my birthday. Just go 3, 4. Voila! Not complicated. Oh my God, look at that. And he does it by himself. Amazing. Oh, amazing grace. Oh my God, look at that, gorgeous. Look at the flowers it make.
Flower.
That is gorgeous. Look at that embroidery there. Wow. The backing is beautiful. I'm gonna love it. I already love it. Rip. good. Okay, another one. The 24, I like it. It's little roses. This is pretty, 44. 25 is pretty too. 44. Oh. I'm sorry. This is excited.
No, it's
Oh my
fine.
God, look how gorgeous. I never have a machine this good. I never, even brand new model machine, never. I really work hard. Look at that, wow. Oh, I broke that thread. All right, I need to thread. There we go. I'm gonna do my first threading.